your vision.
Welcome, my name is Alistair, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to update your PHP version in WordPress. This is a common problem amongst WordPress users. I normally see people in our Facebook groups, when they encounter this problem, they might want to leave their hosting provider, but mostly some providers with the limited support facilities, they won't reach out to you if you have this problem. But sometimes it's easier to solve this problem than to transfer your website to another host, cause that one again may lead to many other issues. So sometimes the solution also lies within your hosting in the cPanel. So I will demonstrate how to update your PHP version in the cPanel. So as you can see here, I have a website and I've just installed WordPress, and I want to use another theme here. So that theme comes with some plugins. So these plugins are up to date, so they don't support this current version of PHP. The PHP version on this server is 5.4 point something. So the latest versions of PHP are from 7.4 up to is in this time I'm recording this tutorial in 2021. 7.4 point something, and I think those are the latest versions of PHP. So most people are used to the WYSIWYG editor. That's the WordPress editor we are used to, where you just use it as using a word processor, but there is more to it. But I promise you this won't be a coding lecture, because the instructions will be that simple. So let me just touch on a few things. Why do you need to update your PHP? You need to update your PHP for different reasons. The chief reason being your website security. Not the chief as such, but also because security is a matter also are online. Take for example, if you are running an online shop, it will compromise a lot of things. It will compromise your users. Your website may be hacked. You may lose a lot of money. So running versions, because I think the last version of which PHP they only support the latest versions, which means from 7.2 down, or from 7.3 and downwards, they are no longer supporting those versions of PHP. So there becomes a problem. If hackers discover that you are using an outdated version of PHP, they may find a loophole to enter through and do some harm. More so, updating to the latest version of PHP will also make your website faster. I will demonstrate. I want to demonstrate with this website with an outdated version of PHP, and I want to see if it's true. Website speed test, and see if I update how that website how fast that website will run. So let me see now how is this one? No, this one is the wrong thing. Okay, let's see. Speed test. Let's see how this one is fast. Then we'll test, because here we have PHP version 5.4.2 there, about, I don't know. Okay, let's see. No, I want the website speed test, not the internet speed test. website speed test. Website speed test. So my name is Alistair, as I have already said. I'm one of the best WordPress guys you can find in South Africa. If you have any WordPress issue, don't hesitate to contact me. I will help you. Mostly I help people freely, depending with how much resources are needed. Mostly if you have a problem, I can help you for free, and sometimes I charge a small fee because of my time and other resources. So don't hesitate to reach out to me, to comment and to share all the other challenges we have. So here we are testing the website speed and want to see how fast is it running a PHP version of 5 point something. Then we'll test after I update the PHP and demonstrate that really updating your PHP is another simple way to update your website speed. I see most people, they complain about website speed, especially WordPress. How can I improve my website speed? The other thing is to update your PHP version and many other things, which I will do also some tutorials for that again, because running WordPress has speed issues. Mostly people complain about speed issues. So we see now the speed is on red, which means if your website speed is low, it's shown by this red line. If it's better, it's shown by this yellow. If this line was yellow, above 50, I don't know it's a percentage or what. Then if it's at the best, it's shown by this green light. So this is a new website. Imagine this is a new website. I just installed a new WordPress. So can you imagine if I haven't uploaded any files yet, but the website speed is terrible. So let me go to the cPanel and see if I have a solution to this problem. So what I want to do is, when you log into your cPanel, if your hosting provider or your developer didn't give you your hosting credentials, please ask for that, because it's very important. You need your password and your username to the client area of your hosting provider. There you can go to your cPanel easily. So here we go. You look for multi-PHP manager on this section with software. Then when you go to multi-PHP manager, it's just easy. You will see here they say warning, PHP versions 5.6, 5.7, 7.1 are depreciated. We recommend that I'm not a native English speaker, so I just incorrectly say this word. It's deprecated, not depreciated. So they say we recommend that you update to a supported version of PHP. For more information, read the PHP documentation. That's which directs you to what I was saying. So this website is running PHP 5.6. Here, that's where you can also check what version of PHP you are running. There are so many ways when dealing with these issues. There are so many ways, especially if you know the PHP coding language. You can also deal with this issue by just modifying a file in your root directory. update the PHP version, which I will show again. In that one requires a little of coding. Then this one is just easy for everyone. So you come here, you select your PHP. Remember, the documentation is saying up to 7.1, but the first one will be PHP 7.4. Even plugins, those plugins, they are supporting 7.4. So inherit is also a good thing, because it will inherit the PHP on the server. But unfortunately, maybe your host is running a lower version of PHP. Yeah, there are people making some noise. I hope they won't disturb your viewing, because living with people. Okay, let's continue. So I'm just going to say PHP 7.4. Then there comes an issue. Sometimes if you want to click this apply, you will see that there is an icon, a red icon, which I think will be preventing you to apply. So this one troubled me for quite some time when I was updating, first starting to update my PHP. So what you need is you tick this box here below, then you'll see this one will apply. Then if you do that, you have successfully updated your PHP. Let's go to the website and check the speed and see if this PHP this PHP solution I gave you. Let's just refresh it. Then I want to check if those plugins which were giving me some resistance to be installed, if they can be installed. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Let me see now. I've forgotten the plugins, but fortunately I have somewhere. Okay, add new plugin. Let's see if I'm going to get that same issue. Here we go. I'm searching for this plugin. Previously it gave me a warning that, you see, now we are ready to rumble. There is no more error. Let's check the website speed. I hope also the speed won't be that great, because I just uploaded a new theme with pictures and stuff. But what I'm pretty sure about is that the speed will improve this time. Let me refresh it. Let me refresh. The speed test. This speed test may give you a different result. Okay, I've just refreshed. Okay, let's see. Let me do this, because I don't want my result to be distorted. Which website was I using again? I don't want to use a different one. GT Matrix. Okay, let's see. No, it wasn't GT Matrix. Let's see on my history. I hope you are not spying on my history. Okay, where are you? Yes. So I've been doing this. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's Google speed testing tool, which is very efficient. Okay, here we go. Again, let's see if I think this website is now faster. Even the loading speed on this Google server is showing me that something has improved, and I hope it has improved, because I will be a liar if things don't improve. Unfortunately, they didn't improve. I think my speed issue now is being affected by the files which are on the theme, which is a different tutorial all together again about how to improve your website speed test, especially when you are using a theme. Most themes, they come with different resources which need also to be adjusted so that your website processes faster, because this speed is not good at all. On the mobile, okay, this one is on the desktop, but I think on desktop is better. Okay, but all in all is that your PHP also improves the website speed and to the greatest speed possible. I've been a developer for quite a long time. I've improved website speed through just adjusting PHP. It's another solution for WordPress website speed. Here comes the end of my tutorial. Please like, comment and share. If you need a good WordPress website, if you are not satisfied with your current design, please consider a good WordPress designer or someone who can help you. We are free to help you, and I'm free to help you. I'll give you my best. If you need an online shop or a converting website, I'm here to help you. Don't hesitate to click the button below. You reach to me via WhatsApp, or if you need any help, just comment your problem below. I will reach out to every comment and answer you amicably. I know there are experts more than me who also will comment negatively, but the issue is to stay positive, and the issue is to solve a problem without complicating things. That's all I have, and I'll post this one also on Facebook. Make sure you pour out those likes and those shares. Share it with your friend who is experiencing some WordPress issues. I'm sure it can also help them. I also do post tips and advices on my website. That's www.digmarkhub.co.za. You can check also many issues about digital marketing, paid ads, and many other things. Hopefully we'll work on your next project together. I'm sure we'll work on your next project together. And I'm the guy who, if I'm doing a tutorial, I can't sign off, but hopefully I'm gonna sign off now. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I'm signing off.